ก็นอร์ทอีสต์โอลิมปิกเกมส์กับลองฉลองนัดมันเองกับงี้ตามกลางดาเอกีนองอีละกายในกลางกิจการจงกระทายสเตลลามิงกีให้กลางรำรุอีกีนองอีกายกับกิกูสบากินอีละกายกิบาริมกิบลิชิมันตามันอีกมันอีกอินเดียฮักเอเชียนเกมส์บักกัมจูรุฮักคอมมอนเวลท์เกมส์วันนี้กินอีเดอุทโบสิงวันนี้อีกมันอีกอินเดียฮักเอเชียนเกมส์ฮักสนามขักนัสปะพระผู้อาร์บักกัมจูรุฮักคอมมอนเวลท์เกมส์ว่าสมัติอุปตาวเรียกเมกรันบุนุนุอีละกายบาริมมันตัวจุดมันฮัลโหลกับซับบักกิขณะกระทายสเตลลามิงกีดัน
So you have represented India in Asian Games, Commonwealth Games. You have been a spokesperson from swimming. Can you tell us the experience of the youth from Northeast, how they are competitive they are?
There are many junior national champions in swimming nowadays.
Okay.
And in our time, in the early 1980s,
Okay.
I was a junior national champion for 3 years.
Okay.
There is 1977 held at Kerala, Trivandrum, and 78 Madras, and 79 Bombay, like that. And senior national champion for 4 years, 1979, 80, 81 and 82. And All India Police Smith champion in 100-200 breaststroke in the year 1980 to 1983.
Okay.
And represent India in the Asian Games 1982, which was held at New Delhi, India, and participated 12 Commonwealth Games, which was held at Brisbane, Australia, in the year 1982. And I was Asian medalist, not Asian Games, Asian swimming medalist,
Okay.
which was held at Dhaka, Bangladesh,
Okay.
in the year 1980.
How many years you spent in swimming with the Indian Swimming Association?
Then swimming near about 8 years, junior, senior, and
Okay.
like that. And that after Asian Games, my both shoulder was dislocated.
Okay.
My both shoulder are dislocated. That is why I have to leave. I was the former junior and senior undefeated
Okay.
national champion, undefeated.
As a kid, at what age you start swimming? You start training?
I was started swimming in the year 1975. That time I was 14 years old only.
14 years old.
I started swimming in the river and Wanghainingthem Pukri.
Okay.
And very old swimming pool was there in Manipur. There is called Sanjenthong swimming pool. That is
Okay.
very old one, oldest one.
So can you tell us the difference between that time and this generation about swimming? What is the
there is a
difference?
lot of difference.
Okay.
That is lot of difference. Nowadays, everything is depend upon the diet and schedule of the swimmers, and they are taking more food supplements like that. In
Okay.
our time, we drank only electrolyte powder, glucose powder like
Okay.
that, and eating the meats like that, and drinking the soup and some fruit juice like that time only.
Okay. Can you tell us the talents of the youth from Northeast compared with the rest of India?
Nowadays, all Assam few swimmers became the national champion,
Okay.
junior national. Many champions are there in Assam. In this champion also, a fight going on Manipur versus Assam only.
Always.
Sometimes Tripura, sometimes Meghalaya, like that.
Okay.
There is notice second on notice Olympic Games competition is going on between Manipur and Assam only.
Okay.
I mean, Assam also very good swimmers, and we Manipur also not so good, but
You're trying.
not bad in the northeast state.
Okay. Thank you.